Thank you, Arun. You have been very kind to me. He mentioned about Urban Development Ministry. I was more of a terror in Delhi and less of administrator. And I have got a divorce from urban sector for last 6 years, having done 9.5 years in state and center. My batchmate has touched very good points that urban side, rural side, common applications, divergent applications. I think I will touch 3 very specific issues, one for urban, one for rural, and one for common application, 3 diverse ministries, just to carry forward what Arun has said. I came across a small presentation. I'm toying with the idea on urban waste management, that garbage management in Hyderabad city. They are using mobile governance. It's a hybrid of e-governance and m-governance. And what they are looking at it, the garbage bin emptying time and the delay and the lag and alerts is quite an effective system, and they have got different coding with green and red colors. I think this one model one should study and try to replicate is quite cost effective. I'm not propagating the company and technology because as we know that internet connection is far, far below than mobile connectivity. So if we have to reach the people deep using ICT, I think m-governance is the answer in future. E-governance cannot be substituted, but m-governance will take it to lot many people. So on the urban side this, if you come to rural side, because this session is for urban and rural, so I will just touch a very small example of Madhya Pradesh government, what they are doing in Narega. Andhra is also doing. These 2 models have to be studied. We don't have to reinvent what he was mentioning, innovation for what? Everybody wants to innovate. What has been invented and tested and implemented, I can claim that Madhya Pradesh is doing the best in Narega. And I think MP Online is something which has to be seen. Now, let me again take a somersault from urban to rural. We keep innovating softwares. Everybody wants to sell a technology. Everybody wants to come as a vendor. Everybody shows a lot of magic stories and dreams to us. But we falter. Government's biggest bane has been lack of application of right technology at right places, lack of continuity. Most of the NIC implemented projects fail because there's no continuity in the sequence of implementation. The processes are not studied properly. But NIC must be complemented for one application which they have done, that is where I am coming, common application software for consumer affairs, food and public distribution. Justice Wadhwa Committee and Supreme Court monitoring, they came out. I was part of the core group of that when I was in Government of India, my last assignment. That application software gives the minimum backbone of IT requirement, the least which is required for seeing the complete supply chain management. I'm not endorsing what has been done. It's not the complete solution, it's a phase 1 solution. The beauty is that basic uniformity is being maintained across the country. So MIS generation will be good. You're not creating new data centers also, only gap funding is being done. And this project, if implemented correctly, shall go a long way in ensuring reduction in leakage of food grains. Same applies to a municipality, what my friend was mentioning. I think it would have been much better if the ministry itself has come out with a common application software and allowed the states to customize, because each state has got its own specific diversity. That would have been much, much better. And I think I must conclude here only because I thought I should pick up one of urban, one of rural, and one of common application. Thank you.